Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Houdini sees your GPU and can use it. First, update drivers and install CUDA or OpenCL as required. This gives Houdini the compute libraries it needs. Once done, install or enable a GPU-capable renderer like Karma XPU or Redshift and activate its Houdini plugin. Make sure you allocate enough RAM in your system settings and close other GPU-demanding apps so Houdini has priority. These steps set the foundation so subsequent GPU tasks run reliably and fast. Now you enable GPU usage inside Houdini and your renderer. Open the render settings and switch the device to GPU. For Karma, select XPU mode. For Redshift, pick GPU and choose CUDA or OptiX. Next, configure render parameters. Pick tile or bucket sizes that keep GPU busy. Larger tiles often help on high memory cards. Tweak kernels and denoiser options to use GPU acceleration as well. Make sure shader compilation targets the GPU. Otherwise, Houdini will fall back to CPU and you lose. Finish by running a test render and observing GPU load and RAM use. If the GPU is underutilized, increase tile sizes, enable more parallelism, or simplify shaders. If you hit memory limits, reduce texture resolution, use instancing, or lower sample counts. Once done, iterate until quality and speed balance. If Houdini falls back to CPU, make sure drivers match the renderer, plugins are compatible with your Houdini build, and the correct device is selected. Reboots often clear locked GPU states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.